Welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you on how to change your project to landscape in Canva. In this video, we'll explore two methods: converting an existing project to landscape and creating a new project in a landscape format. If you have an existing project that you want to switch to landscape, simply navigate to the top menu and click on Resize. Keep in mind that this method requires Canva Pro. Next, you can choose from the existing formats or opt for custom size to input your desired dimensions. For instance, if you prefer a landscape orientation of 1000 by 800, input these values. Then you can decide whether to copy and resize or directly resize the design. It's a simple process. If you like to initiate a new design in landscape format, click on the three lines at the top left. Then select Create a Design followed by Custom Size. Enter the landscape dimensions, such as 1000 by 800, and click Create New Design. That's all there is to it. If you found this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for tuning in.